No, I don't call it a great fixture. I don't think this match is needed. I don't think this is a great sporting event. I think it is coming on the blood of so many Indians who were killed in the Pahalgam terror attacks. It has come after the Delhi Red Fort blast. And whatever Pakistan decided and the ICC managed to convince them to play is just goes to show that for India, BCCI and for Pakistan Cricket Board, playing cricket match is important because it adds to their profitability. But in terms of sportsman spirit, in terms of addressing terrorism, and when the Prime Minister has spoken about zero tolerance to terrorism, and yet India and Pakistan continue to play these matches, is unfortunate.
Said that the Delhi's air has become a gas chamber, and in other prospect, he said that the Uttar Pradesh air is way more cleaner, and with the development, it's going to be.
Till the time BJP is in power in any of the states, the air and the environment will continue to be poisonous and toxic, because what they do, what they thrive on, is an atmosphere of hate and divisiveness. Whether it is in Uttar Pradesh, whether it is in Delhi, whether it is in any other part of the country where Bharatiya Janata Party continues to govern, they divide people on the basis of religion, they divide them on the basis of caste, and then they expect to talk about environment. Even in the budget, we did not hear them speaking about the air pollution.
Ma'am, Harshavardhan Chappal, Congress chief, said that the Tipu Sultan, and he linked with Tipu Sultan with Chhatrapati Shivaji's bravery, and after that there was a complaint against him by BJP chiefs.
Again, in Maharashtra, just yesterday in Mumbai, a huge slab fell off Mulund metro station and it killed a person and injured several people. The infrastructure that is collapsing around Maharashtra is the point of discussion. Even Maharaja Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj would expect people who have used his name, who've used it to politicize, used it to divide, unfortunately, even he would expect that we work towards the progress and development of Maharashtra and not use his name to settle their political scores.
Bengal elections is coming, SIR process just hearing process just ended. Ma'am, what are your take on that?
No, whatever election commission chooses to do, Mamta Didi continues to be very popular chief minister. She will yet again make Bharatiya Janata Party taste the dust in West Bengal, and whatever attempts that Bharatiya Janata Party is making to make inroads in West Bengal, they will find failure all over again.